Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Advantage review. So what actually is Advantage? Guys, Advantage is the world's first AI tool that puts money in your pocket, create amazing content with a single click and make money by giving away and selling seeds. Guys, Advantage actually a ChatGPT alternative tool that I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software Advantage and how to generate content easily. And keep in mind guys, this is the one-time payment software Advantage. Right now price is Advantage only $17. You can see the one-time payment, no monthly or recurring fees ever. And this software also have OTOs. I'm going to show you also all of the information that no one can share with you. So guys, stay tuned. AI powered content generation positions you can as you as an authority in your niche. Okay, and here is you can see guys overview and 3 simple steps to work this software Advantage. And guys, right now I'm going to show you quick demo, then I'm going to show you all other information. Here is you can see break free from the financial drain of overpriced competitors. You can see ChatGPT search $49 per month. Zespar, one of the best AI content writing tools, search $29 per month. Poi and Writer Sonic, PopUI, AutoGPT, they will search lots of money every single month from you guys if you use all of these tools. But this Advantage will charge you only $17, also one-time payment. And creator of this beautiful software, Neil Napier, you know Neil Napier is one of the best software creator online industry. He actually launched lots of software successfully on JVZoo and Warrior Plus marketplace. This is also another one. And guys, this software goes live on 24th of August 11 a.m. EST. Right now I'm going to show you quick a demo, then I'm going to show you guys all other information that you need to know before purchase this software. So let's see the demo.
Hey, welcome to this demo of AIdvantage. My name is Lou, and I'm going to show you how to utilize this powerful platform to not only create great content for your business, but to also give you a separate business that you can run on the side, making money month after month without any effort. So quickly, the AI writer includes many different prompts that have been generated by our prompt engineer team and our developers. So you can answer with Q&As, you can have ad development, you can have video script writing. We have multiple marketing frameworks that we can use to set up our business or our product. Our social media features give you hashtags and features development, Instagram captions. We have access to improving and rewriting your content to simplify, to summarize, and complexify. We give you things for your company in general for reviews, elevator pitch, mission statement, and tagline, your search engine optimization tools, and lead generation to help you grow your business one lead at a time. To show you how this works, I'm going to hop into our marketing frameworks here. I'm going to show you how the PAS framework, so it's choose, click. Now, in this menu, you'll see that our expected results for the PAS framework, which is problem, agitate, and solution, our expected results right now are poor because we have nothing in here for our content. We're suggested to add in things about what is our product or service, how does it help people, what does it do, what are the benefits, and who is it for. We can then select what language. If you see here, there are lots of languages we can pick from. We also choose our tone, friendly, luxury, relaxed, professional, bold, adventurous, witty, persuasive, emphatic, or angry. We can adjust our creativity. We can say maybe we're going with something more technical, we turn our creativity down, something a little more creative, we turn it up. All right, so I'm going to paste in my text, and what we're doing is we are starting a course called Mobile Bike Repair Training. People can use it to create their own mobile bike repair business that they can start off as part-time and perhaps grow into a full-time job. And who it's geared towards, we're going to leave the creativity a little higher, we're going to go towards, and then we're going to generate the AI text. And output has been generated. So we look at what is our problem, how do we agitate that problem, and then we show how mobile bike repair training will solve that problem. We come to the bottom, we can delete that if we want to start over, we can copy it if we want to go use it, or we can save it if we want to mess with it later. When it's saved, it is up in our text archive. You'll see there is our text archive, what we just created. Now, that's how the AI side of it works. what really shines is our sub account center. You'll receive not just a handful, but 100 accounts that you can give away, that you can rent, that you can sell, use as bonuses, anything you like. And what's great is once you have given away this account, they will get 100 credits to use. That is, every time they hit send and every time they hit generate, that is 1 credit. Once they have used up all 100 credits, then they need to purchase their own account credits on a monthly basis, at which point you get paid a percentage of those. That's how, when you have 100 accounts out there making money for you over and over again, it is truly a passive income source because people will love this and continue to use it. That is what AIdvantage does for you. It gives you the text creation options, and it gives you a brand new side hustle that you can use to bring in extra money, and it costs you nothing to maintain or manage it. That is AIdvantage.
Okay, my beautiful friend, I hope you fully understand afterwards the demo advantage. So this is very cool software and this is very easy to use software. If you are a ChatGPT or Writer Sonic, Jasper user, then you can use Advantage also. Right now, I'm going to show you also all the OTOs of this software Advantage. So let's see the OTOs. The front end offer, $17, the commercial license included. And OTO 1 is Advantage Pro, $37. You can see OTO 2 Advantage Unlimited. You will be able to generate unlimited contents for your needs, only $97. And OTO number 3 Advantage Agency, $197. Do you have agency, guys? You must need this agency license. OTO 4th is Advantage Reseller License, $97. And OTO 5th is $27. Here is everything, guys. If you want to learn more about this software, link in my video description below. Just click the link and check out all the information before purchase this software Advantage. Okay, here is you can see the front end offer. If you purchase only front end offer $17, the price front end offer, you will get all those features that no tool will provide this type of features, guys. Okay, 1000 personal use credits, 100 sub accounts, 100 credits, social media, engaging questions, lots of info. You can see, check out all the information. OTO 1, the pro license you can access. You will see, guys, inside the members area all the pricing and OTOs and all the features, so you have no problem. Guys, they will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video training also, so you have got nothing to lose. Give yourself the AIdvantage right now. This is the right time. Sell or give away agency seats and make money without doing any work. Right now, I'm going to show you Advantage. Here is some results you can see. Just put your prompts and you can generate content. What type of content you need? You can generate any type of content, no problem. Right now, I'm going to show you guys quick bonuses. Also, if you purchase this software, this vendor will give you bonus. Here is the 3 simple steps to worksheet. You already understand. Okay. Guys, you can see also the demo on the sales page. So no problem. Unleash limitless ways to make money. Sell custom content, freelance services, social media management, content marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO optimization services, digital advertising, video production services, resale access. So no problem. Here is everything, guys, for you. What type of your business, guys, no problem. And here is you can see bonus. If you pick up Advantage today, you also get access this bonuses. Bonus number 1, making 6 figures with Advantage. Here is the Neil Napier, the creator of this software. Bonus number 2, PPC profit generator. Bonus number 3, AdSock. So guys, this is all the bonus and gain access to a fortune without spending one. So this is the right time, and here is everything what you will get. Let's revisit everything you are getting with Advantage today. Only $17, keep in mind. And also, this is the frequent last question. Do you have any questions? Your answer is available here. Also, you can read before purchase these questions, and also you can email. This is the support email here. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually are struggling to generate powerful content and plagiarism-free content. So Here is you can see their features. Plagiarism free content protects your reputation and credibility, and Google Lab plagiarism free content also. And also guys, please subscribe to our channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video. Consider the link in my video description below. Stay safe.